Welcome back to Walter's Toy Review. Today we're unboxing Charlie out of the 4 Velociraptors. So let's start unboxing Charlie. I think he might be the youngest raptor. There's a button on him that moves his arms. There's the button and the arms move. So there's no button to make the mouth move. They're always a little stiff at one point, so you're gonna have to work on the unstiffing them. Okay, so let's scan him into our favourite app, Fact app. That. Let's scan in our little friend. Okay, this one take a while. Yeah. Okay, let's read. Oh no, I can only read 3. She's protective to live in sandy desert habitat. While the Velociraptors were T-sized dinosaurs, Raptor Charlie was engineered to be bigger. One of the fossils was found on a Velociraptor bone on its stomach. Oh. So there is Charlie. So, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, so please do. See you next video.